Hi, how are everybody? This is Mr. Magda from MIS International School. Let's revise circle and coordinate plane. We have three cases of equation of circle. Equation of circle. First one, if the center of circle is 0, 0. And this one, its radius r. And here the point on xy, I run x and we raise y. What is the relation between three letters? It's a right triangle. I run x and we rose y, and this one 90. My first one, x squared plus y squared equal r squared. This one equation of circle. The center of circle, center in this case, is 0, 0. And radius, I would make a square root of r squared, which is r. Let's see example. Find the center and radius. Find center and radius of a circle, x squared plus y squared equal 25. X squared plus y squared equal 25. What is the center? Yes, because x alone, x squared alone, it's 0, 0 and 0. What is the radius? Radical 25, which is 5. Second case, if I have a transformant, move left, right, affect on x, means x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. Look to this one. Find center and radius, center and radius for a circle, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squares equals 49. I'll get center. How can we get center? Change x and change y, or change a number beside x. Here we have negative 3, I'll make it 3. Here we have positive 4, I'm gonna make it negative 3. Then radius. How could we get radius? Radical 49, which is what? 7. If I ask you, if you have function x squared plus y squared equal 5, translate this circle. This one, another example. Translate the circle. 3 units right and 4 units down. Look to this one, guys. Look to this one. Left, right, opposite sign. Up, down, opposite sign. If you ask me to move right, I'll put 3 with opposite sign, negative 3. If he ask me down, I'll make it what? Plus. It means right, negative. Left, positive. This one inside bracket. This one inside bracket. Up, negative. Down, positive. Okay? When you put it inside the bracket, change it. If he said right, you make it negative 3. If he said it down, you make it positive. And the radius still the same. The last one in circle, guys, if it's given like this one. X squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 8y minus 7 equal to 0. Let's see how can we get center and radius. I would make completing square for x squared and x. I'll make x squared and 6x plus, and I would make space. Then plus y squared and the negative 8y, I would make space. Negative 7 to right hand side became 7. Plus this space, what I'm gonna put on left, I'm gonna put on right. What I'm gonna put on left, I'm gonna put on right. Then, how can we get the third? I would make 6 over 2, this one 6 over 2 power 2. 3 power 2 makes 9. Here. Okay, but I put left 9, I put right 9. Here. How can we get the third? I'll take negative 8. Negative 8 divide 2 power 2. Makes a negative 4. It means plus 16 plus 16. Now, guys, I'll add this 3. 7 plus 9 plus 16. This one 25 plus 7, 32. Now, what I should do, I'll make bracket square, bracket square. Look to this idea. Look to this idea. I'll take root first. I am now working on this 3. I'll take square root first, which is x, and square root third, which is 9, and put the middle sign, which is positive. Look. Then, for the other 3, I'm gonna take square root first, which is 1. Square root third, which is 4, and put the middle sign, which is negative. Now, guys, my equation, x plus 9 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal to 32. Now, I can get center and radius. My center, how can we get center? This one positive 9 became negative 9. This one negative 4 became positive 4. My radius, radical 32. Now, guys, we finished circle. Let's see what do we have in your book about circle. Okay, guys, let us do this one. He said what? He said find center and radius. Yes, I heard some of you, they can do it easily. First one, what is the center? Change 4, change negative 4 became 4, change y became negative 3, change the number beside x. Now this is my center. My radius, radical 64, which is what, 8. We finish number 20. Number 21, center. What is center? Negative 2, but why it's alone? This is positive 2, I made it negative 2. Why alone? I will make it 0. My radius, radical 13, square root 13. Here, what is center? My center, change x, which is negative 5. Change y, which is negative 11. Or changes the number beside x. And it changes the number beside 1. Makes negative 5 and negative 11. What is radius? Radical 32. The last one. Center and radius. This one by calculator, by the way, it's 4 radical 2. Okay. The last one, my center, it's 8 and 12. Change x, change y. My radius, radical 96, which is what, 4 radical 6. Okay, guys, let's proceed. And then, guys, he said, has radius 7 and center origin. Look to this one. Look to this one. Look to that. To know where is this point lies outside circle, inside circle, on circle, I must make equation. First, make equation. Make equation of circle. Here, what is the center? Center 0, 0. And what is the radius? Radius is 7. Now I can make equation. X squared plus y squared equal to r squared, which is what? 49. Then substitute with point. My x is negative 3 radical 2 squared instead of x, plus instead of y I put 5, and check. If this value more than 49, point outside. It means outside. If this value equal 49, it means it's on circle. If this value less than 49, it means inside circle. Let us check, guys, what do we have? When we do this one by calculator, it makes what? It makes negative 3 radical 2 whole power 2 plus 5 squared. Makes what? Makes 43. Does this 43 greater than or less than 49? It's less than 49. Then it's less than, if this value less than the outer value, it means it's what? Inside circle. It means this. It means this point inside circle. It means this point inside circle. Okay, guys, let us check. Okay. Now, log 43 less than. It means it's what? Inside circle. It means it's inside circle. It means it's not on circle. If it's equal 49, it would be on circle. Now my question, you said check this one lies on circle or not? It's not lies on circle. Where does this one lie? It's inside circle because it's less than 49. If it's equal 49, it would be inside circle. It would be on the circle. It would be on the circle. If they are equal, on, equal, on, less, inside, greater, outside. It means I am comparing after substitution with my R squared. Look to this one. Look to this one. This is my point. And this is center radius. I would make a question. Let us make a question. How could we say this one in, on, out? Inside circle, on circle, I would make a question. X minus. What is x here? It's a -1. It means I make it plus 1 squared. Plus y. This is 1, I would make it -1 squared. Equal to r squared, which is what? 16. Again. X minus -1 makes it +1. And y minus 1 squared equal to 16. Now I substitute with xy. My x is 2. 2 plus 1 squared. My y is 4. 4 minus 1 squared. This one 9, this was 9. 18 greater than or equal to 16? Greater than 16. It means it's outside circle. Outside circle. It means it's not on circle. Not on circle. Not on circle. Not on circle. Okay, let's do second one. Here, make a question. Center is 0, 0. It's okay. It means x squared plus y squared equal r squared, which is what? 81. Then replace x and replace y. Replace x radical 17 squared. Replace y 64 or 8 squared. 8 squared. This one equal to what? 7. It's 81. 81 equal to 81. It means the point lies on circle. The last one. Last one is what? I'll make equation. X minus 3, this is positive, became negative. This is negative, became positive. Equal r squared, which is what? 10. This is r only. I need here r squared. Then replace with point 2, 0. Instead of x, I put 2. Means 2 minus 3 squared. Instead of y, put 0. Here it's 1 plus 0 plus 9 squared, which is 81. 81, it means 82 greater than 10. It's not lies on circle. Not lies on circle, no. It's not lies on circle. Now, this one like we did, guys. This one like we did. I need to get center and radius. I'm gonna make completing square for x square and x. I'll combine this together. X squared plus 4x, then space plus. I'll combine y beside each other. Then make space and take 4 to right hand side, mixing the 4. Now I need the third. B divide 2 power 2, 4 divide 2 power 2 makes 4. I'll make 4 left, 4 right. Then negative 8 divide 2 power 2. It means a plus 16 plus 16. Now, what we're gonna do? I'm gonna make bracket square. For x a bracket square. For y bracket square. And this one is 16. I'll take radical first. Square root first x. Square root last 4. And the middle sign positive. Square root first y. Square root last 4. And the middle sign negative. Now my center. Change x negative 2. Change y is 4. My radius. Radical 16, which is 4. Okay, guys. This one, how we make completing the square for a circle. This one, like we did, guys, we're gonna make completing the square as we make x square and x beside each other and y square and y beside each other for all of these. And you end up with what? Center and radius. Center and radius. If it's in graph, guys, you can get center and radius easily. Look, guys, when you count center, you must be careful. I'll start from here. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. It means my radius is 4. It means it's 16 square. 16 right. And my center is 2, 0. It means x minus 2 squared plus y squared, as it's in first one. Now parabola, guys. What is the parabola and what we should know about this parabola? Please concentrate. My parabola, I should know the vertical parabola only in grade 9. I should know the vertical parabola only in grade 9. Let us see about the parabola. Okay, look, guys, my parabola, and somehow it looks like this one. Open upward or open downward. This is my 2 branches of parabola. This point is called focus. And we proved this one in class. This point is called the focus. This length is called the P. This length is called the P. Okay, length from what? From vertex to focus. This one vertex. This point a vertex. From vertex to focus called P. And the other distance is the same distance down, which is negative P. This distance from line called the directrix. This line directrix. Directrix. Any point here equal distance from focus and directrix. Any point on parabola. And any point in parabola is xy. What is the question of parabola? To relate this xy. To relate this xy. If I give you x, you can get y. What is the rule? Y equal 1 over 4p x squared. What is p, guys? P is distance. P is distance from vertex, from here, look, from vertex to focus. From vertex to focus. This one called P. This one called P. This one called P. Okay? For example, let's give you an example. Y equals 1 over 8 x squared. Now, how could we graph? I will make x and y. Where is the vertex? Vertex is 0, 0. Why? Because x alone and y alone. Vertex is 0, 0. This is my point. Vertex. Now, I need P. How can we get P? We said what in front of x squared? 1 over 4p equals 1 over 8. By making shift solver by calculator, your P is 2. P is the distance from focus, from vertex to focus. Vertex to focus. It means from vertex, I'm gonna go from 0, 0. I'm gonna go up to 1, 2. This is my focus. And on the opposite side, I'll go down. Look, I'll go down. Negative 2, negative 1, negative 2. This is my directrix. This is my directrix. Okay, guys. Now I need to graph from focus this distance. You can count it 4 and go right 4 and the left 4 and you graph the parabola. All what I need, guys, my focus, my vertex between focus and directrix. My vertex between focus and directrix. Let's do another one. Y equal negative 1 over 8 x squared. My vertex is what? 0, 0. I need P. How would you get P? 1 over 4p equal negative 1 over 8. By making shift solve, your P is negative 2. What is P? Yes, from vertex to focus. Let's do it. My vertex is 0, 0. I'll go negative 2. I'll go down. I'll go down negative 2. Then this is my focus. My directrix opposite. I go down negative 2. I go up negative 2, which is what? Which is directrix. Okay, this is my directrix. How can we graph now, guys? This is y equal to, because it's horizontal, y equal to. How could we graph count? 2 to 4, I'll go left 4 and right 4. And I can make parabola looks like this one. But my vertex lies between directrix and the focus. Okay, if I give you directrix and the focus, how could you get vertex? Look to this one. If directrix, y equal to 8, and focus is 3 and 12. How can we get vertex? Look to this one, guys. My vertex, the same x as focus, same x, which is what? 3. Now, I need it to y. I'll make y of focus. I'll make y of focus plus directrix. I'll make y of focus plus directrix divide 2. It means my vertex now, my vertex 3 and 10. Look how logic. Let's check if it's logic or not. My focus run 3, rise 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And my vertex 3, 10. And my directrix 8. Right, guys. This distance equal to this distance. It means this is vertex, right? It means to get vertex. It means to get vertex. I must make. I put focus as it is. I put X. I put 3 as it is. How would we get Y? I'll make directrix plus Y divide by 2 to get the vertex. Let us see, guys, what do we have in your book. Okay, this one transformed. If it's move left, right, up, down. Now, how can we get the vertex? Look to this one, guys. He said, this is what he asked me. Vertex, focus, directrix, concentrate. My vertex. Change X and Y. My X negative 3 became 3. My Y negative 7 became 7. This is my vertex. Now, I need to get P. How would we get P? 1 over 4P equal what in front of bracket, which is 1 over 8. It means by using shift solve or cross, 4P equal to 8, it means the P is 2. Now, I have vertex. Look how we get focus and directrix. To get focus, I'll put vertex as it is. But this 7, I'll put 2 plus 2. Makes what? 3 and 9. This is now my focus. The same as vertex, but I'll add P to Y. I'll add P to 7. Now I need directrix. Y equal. This 7 plus 2, I'll make here 7 minus 2. What I add to Y, I subtract from Y to get directrix. It means Y is what? Y is 5. Now I got vertex, focus, directrix. Let's do another one. Concentrate. What is my vertex here? It's easy. Negative 1 became 1. 4 became negative 4. Then I need to get P. How would we get P? 1 over 4P equal what in front of bracket, which is 1 over 36. It means by making shift solve, it means the P is 9. To get focus, I'll add this 9 to what? To Y of the vertex, negative 4 plus 9. And to get directrix, Y equal. Here add, here subtract, negative 4 minus 9. Look, focus add, directrix subtract. It means my focus here 1 and the negative 1 and the 5. My directrix here, Y equal negative 13. Let's do number 30. Let's do number 30. What is vertex? My vertex, negative 6 and 3. My P, how would we get P? 1 over 4P equal 1 over 16. By making shift solve by calculator. My P is 4. To get vertex, to get focus, I'll add this 4 to 3. To get directrix, Y equal this 4, this 3 plus 4. Now 3 minus 4 means Y negative 1. And here my focus, negative 6 or 7. I'll add to Y to get focus and subtract from Y to get directrix. Let's do the last one. My vertex, change X, which is 10, change Y, negative 5. Then my P, I need to get P, focal length, from vertex to focus. 1 over 4P equal 1 over 2. By making cross 4P equal to 2, it means the P is half. How good we get focus? Focus 10 and negative 5 plus half. Directrix, negative 5 minus half. It means a negative 5.5. And here my Focus is 10 and negative 4.5. Okay, guys, this is how to get vertex focus directrix. Most important thing, what in front of bracket is 1 over 4p. Look, guys, my p is 2. I'll add 2 to 7, makes 9. This is my focus. Then I subtract 2 from 7, makes 5. Look, look, look. Now, guys, I said, what is the question represented? The parabola with focus. I give you focus and directrix. I must get vertex. How would you get vertex? As we said, my vertex, the same focus here, which is 5. And how can we get its y? I'll add 5 of focus plus directrix divide 2. It means my vertex 5 and 3. This is my vertex. And my P, what is P? What is P? What is P? What is P, guys? How would we get P? The distance from focus to vertex. What is the distance? From 3 until I reach it to 5. It means my P is 2. Now make a question. Y minus, what is Y here? 3, make it negative 3. And 1 over 4 times P. What is P? P is 2. And open bracket. X minus, what is X here? 5, because this is HK. And my equation, Y minus K equal 1 over 4P X minus H squared. X minus 5 all power 2. Now I did. It means Y equal negative 3. Sorry. Y minus 3 equals 1 over 8 X minus 5 squared. Okay, guys? Look, this is the same. Y minus 3, 1 over 8 X minus 5 squared. Now, he said what? Write a question. I need a question. I give you focus, vertex. Focus, vertex. Okay. Y equal Y minus K equal 1 over 4P X minus H squared. Now, this is my vertex. My vertex HK. Y minus K. It means it changes this one. Minus makes a positive 1. Equal 1 over 4 times P. I don't know P. X minus H, X minus 4 squared. Now, how can we get P? Say again. Aha. It's a distance from vertex to focus. Count with me. Count with me. From negative 1 until I reach to 5. From negative 1 until I reach to 5. Or you can say 5 minus negative 1, which is 6. Or you can make focus directrix like this. Look, focus, run 4, rise 5. Focus, 4 and 5. Vertex, run 4, down negative 1. Now count this distance. This is my P. Because this one from vertex to focus. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6. It means Y plus 1 over 4 times 6. X minus 4 squared. It means Y plus 1 equal 1 over 24. X minus 4 squared. I can take this one to right. It's accepted also. Y equal 1 over 24. X minus 4 squared minus 1. Okay, guys, this is the answer. You can do the rest like this one. You can do the rest like this one. Now, focus directrix. He changed the strategy. Focus directrix. Focus directrix. Now, Let us see, guys. My focus 0, 4, 0 and rise 4. This is focus. 0, 4. This is focus. My directrix y equal to 0. Y equal to 0, it means y is here. This is my directrix. And I told you vertex at middle. Vertex at middle between focus and directrix. My vertex, I'll put the same x of focus, which is 0. And how can we get y? I'll add 4 y of focus plus directrix divide 2. Now my vertex is 0, 2. Okay? Focus and directrix. Write a question. How could we write a question? Y minus. This vertex is HK, guys. That means y minus k. Y minus 2 equal 1 over 4p. What is focus? This distance focus. Look, this is 0, 2. 0 to my vertex. 0 to my vertex. Count. From vertex to focus. How many? This is b. This is 2. 1 over 4 times 2. And x minus h, x minus z. It means y minus 2 equal 1 over 8 x squared. I'll take 2 to right hand side. My equation became y equal 1 over 8 x squared plus 2. Okay, guys? 1 over 8 squared plus 2. Look, 1 over 8 x squared, negative 2 to right hand side. Let's do the second one. I need vertex. What is vertex? The same as focus, 5. And how can we get its y? 1 plus directrix, which is negative 9 divide what? 2. Now it's a 5 and what? Negative 4. This is my vertex. Now I need what? I need equation. Y minus negative 4 changes sign become plus 4 equal 1 over 4p x minus 5 squared. Now my problem is p. How can we get p? The distance from vertex to focus. From negative 4 until 1. I can make 1 minus negative 4, which is 5 directly. Y plus 4 equal 1 over 4 times 5 times x minus 5 squared makes y, and it takes this 4 to right hand side. 1 over 20 x minus 5 squared minus 4. Look to this one, guys, again. How to get p? To count p, you graph the focus. Run 5, rise 1. Then my vertex. Run 5, down negative 4. Now I count. This length is p. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what? 5. Now I have 5. I count this distance. This distance is p. Or you can make 1 minus negative 4. 1 minus negative 4. This is to get p. Y of the focus minus y of the vertex. To end up 1 over 20 and here negative 4. Okay. Let's go move further. 1 over 20 and you can take 4 to the other side. Now let's do this one directly. My vertex is the same as focus, negative 4. And I would make 5 plus 2 divide 2. Makes what? 3.5. Negative 4 and 3.5. Now I need P. I would make from vertex to focus 5 minus negative 3.5. My P is focus, Y of focus, minus Y of vertex. Makes what? Makes 8.5. Or you can graph, it's better. You can graph, it's better. Okay, this is my P, 8.5. Okay, now my equation. Y, this is my vertex, guys, HK. Y minus negative 3.5, it means plus 3.5, equal 1 over 4p, 4 times 8.5. X minus h, it means x plus 4 squared. Okay, guys, 4 times 8.5. It means it's y plus 3.5, 1 over 34, x plus 4 squared. Let us check the answer. This is 3.5. And y it's 1 over 6. My vertex. Let us see, guys, again. My vertex, this is negative 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And we rise what? We rise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And my vertex. Oh, I didn't use directrix. This is my directrix. Now I need to get what? I need to get the vertex. My negative 4 is still the same. And I'll add, no, I did it. 5 plus 2 divide what? Divide 2, it makes a negative 4 and what? 3.5. Now I need P. How would we get P? The middle between them. What is the middle? The middle between them. This is what? The middle. Yes, I got 3.5. Now here it's a 3.5. From 3.5 until I reach to 5. How many? 1.5, right? It means this is focus, my P, from 3.5 until I reach. It means, guys, I must graph. It means I must graph. I must graph. To get what? To get the focal length. Because it's from vertex from 3.5 until I reach to what? To focus. It means it's right. 5 minus 3.5, not minus directrix. 5 minus 3.5, which is what? 1.5. This is P. Then I'll put P, it would be 1 over 6. Okay, guys? And this is for more practice, guys. Thank you for being with me. This is Mr. Magdi from MOIS International School. Please study hard. Thank you, guys. Thank you.